Hello, traders. Today is Friday, July 18th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. And we're going to start off on the 4 hour time frame. So, on the pound dollar, we've been going down for several weeks now. Really, every single one of these swings is a lower high, lower high, lower high. No break of structure yet, telling us that this move down is over. Obviously, this does seem like a big area of support. I would think this whole move down is either a wave A of a crescent to the move up on the daily, or it's a wave one, meaning that this could be a complete trend reversal. I would definitely lean towards wave A, but you definitely never know in these circumstances. So since we do not have a break of structure yet, we have to assume this move up could be a pullback to this last move down, and we could possibly get another push down. So don't assume that the market's going to go up because that's when you start getting in a lot of trouble. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely be assuming that this move up is likely a pullback to this move down, unless the market goes up and gives us a solid break of structure, which is probably one of these two levels. I would have to see it break above these two levels. If it breaks above those two levels, then makes a pullback, I would try to go long on the pullback. If it doesn't break those levels, but instead goes to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels and then breaks to the downside, I would continue to look for shorts, even though we are at a support level. The market could keep pushing down if it wants to. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.